Welcome to Python programming class, lecture 14, unit 2, part 1, case study. Let's check the syllabus. The turtle module, simple repetition, encapsulation, generalization, interface design, refactoring, and finally docstring. These are the topics in this case study. So docstring is separate, we will discuss later. So in this lecture, we will learn 2 topics. In coming 2 lectures, we will learn another 5 topics. Let's get into the today's lecture. First one, the turtle module. Already we know that a package is a collection of modules. Package is a collection of modules, right? Now, here we are introducing one package, Swampy. This is a package. This package has so many number of modules. So in that Swampy, turtle world is one module. This is one module. What is the function of turtle world? Means it is used for drawing lines. It is used for drawing the lines. So if Swampy is installed as a package, so suppose you are downloaded Swampy package and that is installed in your system, so you can import turtle world like this. So from Swampy, so this is a package. So from package name Swampy dot, what is the module here? Turtle world import star. So it import all functions in the turtle world module. Suppose another module, so another method. So if you downloaded the Swampy modules but did not install them as a package, so you are downloaded the Swampy but that is not in the package, so that's why you are importing like this. Import turtle world like this. So how you are importing? From turtle world import star. So the same thing, Swampy dot is removed, right? So these are the 2 methods to import the turtle world in your program. Create one file, so mypolygon.py Python file, and type the following code. So from, what is the package? Swampy. What is the module? Turtle world import star. So turtle world is a class, this is a class, and this is a object, right? Instance of a class, this is object world, right? Now turtle is another class, this is assigned to Bob, right? Here another object. I am printing the Bob, right? After printing, we are waiting for the user, right? So there is no output. We need to give input to the output, right? So just like this. So Turtlebot provides several steering functions. Steering function means like this. FD means forward, BK means backward, LT means left turn, RT means right turn. Similarly, PU means pen up, PD means pen down. So pen up means there is no lines, just I'm moving the pen by pen up function. Pen down means like this. This is pen down. So to draw a right angle, we need add this line forward 100 steps, left turn, and then forward 100 steps. So first one is 100 steps forwarded, second line is left turn, third one is once again 100 steps forwarded. So after execution of this, it will draw the right angle triangle, right? So that is turtle mode. So coming to the simple repetition, see here forward 100, left turn Bob. Once again forward 100, left turn. Once again forward 100, left turn. Forward 100, left turn. Like that. So like this, forward, left turn, forward 100, once again left turn, forward 100, once again left turn, forward 100. So what it will draw? It is a square. So to draw a square, so we need to forward 100, this is 100 steps, left turn, once again 100 steps, left turn, once again 100 steps, left turn, right, once again 100 steps. So here 4 repetitions are there, all 4 repetitions are executed like this. For I in range 4, so 4 times. So FD Bob or comma 100, 4 times step forward left of Bob. So it will repeat it for 100 times. Sorry, 4 times. It will repeat it for 4 times. Right? So that is simple repetition. So that's the today's lecture. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.